Good morning.
Good morning.
So we have left the previous campsite and now we've come not far away, about a 10-minute drive, to the Mercer Bay Loop track for a bit of a morning walk.
It's part of the Hillary Trail still.
But yeah, still a ridiculous road to get in and out of where we were.
Yeah, the roads, it's just one road in and out and it's ridiculously
Like that,
windy
and then like that.
and cliffy, and you either drive off the edge of the cliff or drive down a huge bank to the side.
But yeah, so we've got that and we're going to do this loop, see how it goes.
Yeah, we're going to still be exploring Waitakere Ranges today. Head back towards Waitakere Visitor Centre kind of after this, and then we're going to try and stay in Waitu campsite, which has got a nice beach and caves and stuff.
Yes.
Oh wow, look at this view.
And not more than literally the start of the track is behind us. I'm going to show you a view. So yeah, that's where we are today.
Good bench.
Alex found a good bench. Right, we'll share this with you.
It's a very nice view. Lovely little.
I mean, what a view!
Always start the day.
Yeah, I know. Not bad at all. What a view!
Hi.
Hi.
We've just stopped off at Waitakere Visitor Centre because they have great view. So down there, and then we're going to be, I think, cutting down and then like along this coast. I think. That's a view.
And that is the Sky Tower.
Hi.
Hi.
So we made it to Cornwallis Beach.
It's a nice beach.
Yeah. Just gonna have a wander. Yeah. Just gonna have a wander and then have some lunch.
You know, that typical order of have an ice cream, then have lunch.
Hey.
What?
Yeah, nice. Not too windy here either at the minute.
No, it's pretty nicely sheltered.
There's a monument up there.
It's always fun seeing parrots just by the beach
Wild.
in the wild.
We are making the most of the barbecue and picnic facilities. Dave's toasting some bread on the barbecue because we don't have any other food. More avocado, but at least we are covered if it rains and we're not using our gas. So have a nice view over there of the beach. Just come up some very hairy single lane tracks that then turned into gravel. But we've got to the Donald McLean walk, so 20 minutes up to the summit, so hopefully some views, but sprinkling, so we shall see. And then we gotta carry on the weird windy gravel road to our campsite in the middle of nowhere. Hopefully we'll beat the rain. Getting some lovely views on the way up. Not a bad little walk.
It's a very pretty view from the top. Very pretty view that way, right at the top. But there's a second viewpoint that we're going to look at. See what it looks like. Nice easy walk though. I mean the drive was it's fine. Just be confident in your driving, be confident in your vehicle, otherwise don't bother. But yeah, really nice views. Beach. It's an unusual place to put a bench, but I like it. So that way is up to the Gibbon track. But we want to go down here to the Waitakere caves, and we think it's going to rain soon, so we're trying to beat the rain. But yeah. Nice little beach, nice little walk. Cave number 1. Yep.
Okay.
It's cave number 2.
Cave number 2.
Cave number 3. What do you think of the cave?
Don't know yet, haven't seen it. Let's go have a look.
Aww. Sad camera. And she was never seen again. So yeah, I'm looking for new travel companions because she's gone. And this is cave number 4. Which is cave 3 is there, cave 4 is here. I think we found the final cave, which is cave 5. Oh, there's maybe more. This one's the biggest. Danger from falling rock. Bat. Alex is my regular little splunker. Where's she gone? Oh, I see her. Oh, there she is. No.
So after dinner, the weather has been lovely. So I've decided to come out for a walk. Dave's going to stay and do some editing. He's going to do the Signal House trek. 20 minutes. Go up there, I think. See what views we can. Getting some stunning views already. You see the van over there? That's where we came from. Let's keep going up. Oysters. Amazing. Not even at the top yet. It's a very nice view. I've come up a little bit past the Signal House track on the Waitakere track. Just because it looked like it would have a good. Might go over there in a minute, but you have to like cut off and go down to then go up again, to then come all the way back down and up. So we shall see. I'm going to carry on up here for a sec. So made it to the top of this hill. This is where I'm going to stop. So out of breath, but way higher than where I was going to be. But such a good view. You can see the island. You can see all the way to the beach. Campsite down there. Oh, that's the windy road that we came in on. And then this is the bay. Oh, so nice. I need to sit for a minute. And this is probably the end of this video. Don't know. We shall see.